Tim here, doing a test of a cheap Chinese jack. Unlike the reviews, this came with the American Standard. All of the screws were tight. Give it a whirl here. It's going up smooth. It lifted the wheels right off the ground. I could go up higher. And let's see how smooth it comes down. See, it's not bouncing like the YouTube video did. It's all the way down now. All right, I'm gonna lift it back up again. That's not centered. That looks about centered. Of course, I would put stands on that if I was going to work under the car. But I'll tell you what, I'm going to buy another one of these and I'm going to use it to level out my RV. I think it's going to work. Let's do a test on letting it down now. We're just going to let it down slow. Okay, I'm going to do a leak test now. I'm going to put it up about that far, and I'm going to unplug this. I took off the air connector, and we're just going to let it sit for a while, see if it leaks air. Tim out.